we're back here and तो थोड़ा सा जल्दी आ गया मैं, है ना? है एनीवेज, कंटिन्यू वेयर वी लेफ्ट ऑफ। भाई अब ना 100% एक्यूरेसी होगी, ठीक है? 100% एक्यूरेसी। तुम्हारा भाई बनेगा एम्प्लॉय ऑफ द मंथ। ऐसे ही थोड़ी मजाक समझ के रखा है क्या? तुमको दिखाते हुआ कितना टैलेंटेड है हम, ठीक है? मजाक नहीं। ओके, जल्दी जल्दी कॉल आओ। अरे हाँ हाँ हाँ, वही मैं बोलूँ यार, मेरा इन्फॉर्मेशन कम कर दिया ये लोग हमें। मैं खुश हो गया कि भाई मेरे को कम कॉल आएंगे। क्या फ्रोजन पाइप जल्दी कलेक्ट करे यार, इतना टाइम लग रहा है ना। हेलो,
Hello, Supervisor Carol
permission,
here
you should
again.
have access to
We've
more
updated your permissions.
extensive information
You
to
should now
work.
have access
With your
to more
future call, please
extensive
be sure and
information to
read these
work with
new
for your future calls.
entries
Please be
carefully
sure
so you
to
can
read these
continue
new
providing our
entries
client with
carefully so you
accurate
can continue
diagnosis. Please
providing our
remember that
clients with
this
accurate
information is
diagnoses.
strictly confidential
Please remember that this
and not
information
to
is
be shared
strictly
with anyone
confidential and not to be shared
unless
with anyone unless pertinent to a
pertinent
caller's
to
needs.
a caller's need.
Thank you.
Thank you. ओके, और टेरिफाइंग चीज ऐड हो गई अपन पे। सबसे पहले है बोगाट। ओ माय गॉड, बोगाट इज द जनरल टर्म फॉर अ मेटामॉर्फोस्ड हब। मतलब ये मोटिफोर्स लाइक अपग्रेड होता है, फिर लाइक आगे का वर्जन है हब का। They are large, hairy humanoid between 6 to 7 feet tall and wear fairly convincing false face. What do you mean by false face, bhai? They are also known for causing household accidents such as flooding. ठीक है, they are also repeatedly observed. Okay, got it. It's not dangerous to human and pets due to their malicious.
Hey, yeah, thanks a bunch for the terrible advice you sent me.
अरे
My kid just fell through the frickin' wall from all the damage they dealt, and we found out on our own what was going on. See you never.
भाई भाई ठीक है भाई, बुरा लगा। Anyways, क्या है यहाँ पे? Bogart are extremely dangerous to human and pets due to their malicious nightly household activities, which can often cause injury or death. They also react very violently when they see when seen by humans. But thankfully, these instances are rare as they excel at staying hidden. Okay, good for us, I guess. There
There's
is
something
something
in the basement.
of
I've
same.
seen it. It's huge, almost as big as my dog. It doesn't hiss or growl or anything, but I haven't gotten close enough to it to find out what it is since it's
Acha.
always just lurking out of sight from the top of the stairs. I need someone to come get this thing out of my basement as soon as possible. I've locked the door since I can still hear the steps creaking under its weight down there.
Please hold.
ये तुम्हारा वो होगा, स्लग होगा नहीं? उसके अलावा क्या ही हो सकता है? लाइक स्पेसिफाई करा है इसने एज बिग एज माई डॉग। एंड इस टाइम ना अपन को क्योंकि कॉन्स्टेंटली कॉल मिलते रहते हैं, तो ये टाइम में अपन एक्चुअली थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, है ना? फॉल्स बीट पढ़ लिया है, फॉल्स आर्टिफैक्ट। हाँ, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फॉल्स आर्टिफैक्ट? ओके, false artifacts are seemingly human designed objects that can manifest suddenly inside a home. They are known for making a gentle buzzing sound that can usually only be heard by a very young human, children, or small animals. However, with false artifacts often report out of place object or missing children or pets. Okay. Danger. False artifacts, while not direct threat to adult human, can pose significant risk to small human, children, and animals. स्मॉल ह्यूमन क्या होता है? मतलब छोटे लोग जिनकी हाइट कम है, स्मॉल ह्यूमन क्यों बोल रहे हो भाई? देखो, नॉट लाइक आई एम ऑफेंडेड, ठीक है? आई एम 69, आई मीन एनीवेज भाई, शुड अ चाइल्ड और पेट लेफ्ट अलोन विद अ फॉल्स आर्टिफैक्ट, दे आर एट रिस्क ऑफ बीइंग encased within in case no noise made by the prey can be heard. While digestion can take upward of several years to complete, starvation can be a more pressing concern. सॉल्यूशन, वंस ऑफ आ जाए सॉल्यूशन मैं नहीं पढ़ेंगे, ये लोग पढ़ेंगे, मेरे को बस डायग्नोस करना है। फॉल्स रोज बुश description. False rose bushes are large plant-like creatures that most commonly take on the appearance of a red rose bush. In place of roots, this creature have two small humanoid feet which they use to chase down prey. Homeowners with false rose bushes sometimes report missing pets or children. Okay. False rose poses incredible danger to homeowners with children or pet, as their diet consists of small mammals and they are known to be fast and efficient hunters. Some homeowners without children or pets face a reduced risk as they cannot swallow whole anything larger than themselves. Fracture road. Lamp sprite. स्पिरिट है, स्प्राइट है, पता नहीं. लैम्प spirits are a common subspecies of spirit that make their home inside lamp fixtures. They are known for causing the lamp they inhabited to flicker or burn hot, or sometimes causing a burn smell in the home. Lamp spirits are not dangerous to human unless provoked. Do not, under any circumstances, turn off the lamp to attempt or reach your hands to the lamp when actively inhabited. Lamp. Okay. Memory विस बहुत कुछ ऐड हुआ है. Note, due to clerical error, the audio sample provided above is incorrect. The issue will be corrected by the end of the month. Okay, audio sample गलत है. Anyways, description. Memory wisps are invisible and odorless household wisps that are known for removing memories from the home. अच्छा. And its homeowners. Homeowners infested with memory wisps will often report missing pictures, photo album, and the inability to remember the fact of faces of loved ones. Damn, that is scary. Danger. Memory wisps are not a danger to the physical health of human. However, the ability to affect human memory can sometimes lead to household accident or reckless activity. Okay. Mirror nymph. Oh my, क्या ये? Mirror nymph are a subspecies of nymph that are known for stealing the likeness of homeowners and passerby. They are generally small, faceless, and voiceless humanoid carrying a large mirror that they beckon others to look into. Homeowners affected by mirror nymph commonly report not being able to recognize their own face. Oh, damn. Mirror nymph, although a nuisance, are not a direct danger to human. अरे क्या बात कर रहा भाई, अपना चेहरा भूल जाओगे तुम, कैसा वो नहीं है. Tea spirit. Okay, spirit. Tea spirit are a species of spirit that are known to feed off tea and tea leaf residue. Homeowners infested with tea commonly report a leaf-like dropping and sounds of fluttering near kitchen. Danger. Trees are not directly dangerous to human, but they are known to spread various deadly diseases, including the fatal fly flu, and should be removed as soon as possible. Okay. Toilet hob. अरे वाह, एक नया hob आया अपन पे. Toilet hob are a subspecies of hob that are known for homing inside toilet. They bear false faces and have two separate clumps of wispy hair on each side of their head. Like most hob, they tend to clean their home when they are active at night, keeping the toilet they inhabited nearly spotless. Toilet hobs are not dangerous on their own, but their physical presence within the toilet they inhabited may result in plumbing over time, such as leaks or clogs. Like any other hob, they are also capable of metamorphosing. अरे बहुत कुछ है रे. Unicorn fungi. Okay, unicorn fungi are a rare horn-shaped fungus that are known to grow on the head of furry mammals and household pets. They often affect animal disposition, causing them to draw to the soil. Homeowners often report their pets furiously digging around or inside the home. Danger. Unicorn fungi are not directly harmful, but they can often lead to other household problems such as broken floorboard, uproot plant, or waking up other things beneath the soil. What do you mean by waking up in? Hey yo, ठीक है भाई. Wishlisting fungi. Wishlisting fungi are a small mushroom-like growth with many small holes in their cap that frequently grows through drywall gaps like cracks. However, some infested with wishlisting fungi report a distinct whistling sound coming from their walls. Warning: if you ever hear whistling fungi singing in harmony, evacuate your home immediately. Whistling fungi are rarely dangerous to human, but their growth can cause foundational problem. Damn. Wine sprite spirit. Wine sprites are a subspecies of spirit that are known for consuming wine. They are small, large-eyed, winged creature with translucent skin that often appear red when they are feeding. They have long proboscis that they use to drink. Homeowners infested with wine commonly report broken glasses and their wine having a rotten taste or smell. Danger. Wines are not dangerous to human, but they are known to spread various diseases, fatal fly flu. ठीक है. wood secretions. What the fuck does this mean? Wood secretions are pink, viscous liquid substance that can sometimes form from wood that has been mistreated. It is wood that has that can the fuck क्या can sometimes form from wood that has been mistreated. Mistreated क्या mistreated? तुम अपना wood को मार रहे हो, ठीक है भाई. It is known to drip from wooden materials such as furniture or walls, causing a sticky boiling buildup. Danger: wood can be deadly to humans, causing a rapid translation of flesh if ingested. Keep animal and human children away from the secretions at all cost. It is foul odor will be interpreted as a sweet candy-like smell to them, making them partially susceptible जो भी लिखा है to accidental ingestion. ओके सब पढ़ लिया फाइनली. इसका स्लग है, स्लग स्टेयर 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 स्लग. ओके ना अपन फटाफट रिपोर्ट कर पाएंगे. मेरे को पढ़ने की जरूरत ना पड़ेगी होपफुली, नहीं तो मैं डम हूँ. 0% एक्यूरेसी के साथ वापस में भाई कितना we don't talk about that. 0% accuracy, ठीक है. क्या it's still
crawling in
अरे
the
अरे क्या क्या क्या
Those instructions you said didn't work at all. I'm going stir crazy here. I still haven't been able to sleep. I hope you all rot.
damn ये तो बढ़िया लेडी थी यार. अब अपन को बता रही थी कि ओके क्रॉलिंग इन द वॉल्स का मतलब क्या हुआ यार? कि वॉल्स के अंदर क्रॉल क्या करता है मेरे को अभी तक नहीं पता है मेरे को लाइक. ओके हे
I've been hearing some really weird noises coming from the bathroom faucet recently. I'm not sure what it could mean. It just makes this nasty sound anytime I run it, along with this
nasty
smell.
Noise coming from the bathroom. फॉसेट क्या होता है भाई? लेट मी हाँ मैं गवार हूँ थोड़ा सा. क्या हो सकता है ये फॉसेट?
Please hold.
कमिंग फ्रॉम द बाथरूम फॉसेट रिसेंटली. बाथरूम फॉसेट आई गेस वो निम्फ हो सकता है जो कि होल ट्यूब में रहता है. वो वाला निम्फ नहीं, क्या नाम था? हॉब कॉमन हॉब, डेस्क हॉब. बोला हॉब का छोटा सा हॉब रहता है जो पाइप हॉब. ये हो सकता है. वो बोला ना उसका फॉसेट में है. It just makes this nasty sound anytime I run it, along with this nasty smell. Danger: pipe home run, but they physically sometimes cause leak or clog over time. ये होगा यार. और क्या हो सकता है फॉसेट में? और क्या रिसाइड कर सकता है इसके? और कुछ तो जो यहाँ अपन पे है. टॉयलेट हॉब टॉयलेट में रहता है. ये फॉसेट में थोड़ा हटेगा. पाइप हॉब ही होगा यार. कम ऑन, इसके अलावा क्या ही हो सकता है? क्लॉगिंग बट स्मेल बोला. पाइप हॉब ही होगा. हम टेकिंग पाइप हॉब. थैंक यू. अरे यार ये क्रॉलिंग इन द वॉल्स फर्स्ट लाइक इतना ज़्यादा लाइक तुमको दिमाग खपाना पड़ता है ना कि क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती है. लाइक एक्चुअल कॉल्स है जेन्युइन भाई. गेम बहुत सोच के बनाई जिसने बनाई है फॉर रियल. हाउस स्पाइडर इसके बारे में नहीं पढ़ा क्या मैंने? हाउस स्पाइडर स्मॉल कॉमनली. माय वाइफ
I can't.
her face it's gone. My wife, I can't see her face.
It's gone.
I can't see her face. She's
wife.
dead.
I can't see her face.
She's dead.
Can't see her face.
अरे
She's dead.
chill. भूल गया. मेमोरी विस्प हो गई फिर अगर ये भूल गया तो. बट अरे कितना ज़्यादा वो दिया है इन्होंने यार. लेकिन नहीं, अगर ये मिरर निफ होता ना तुमको बस अपना चेहरा नहीं दिखता. तुमको अगर याद नहीं रह रहा तो ये एक मेमोरी विस्प है. मेमोरी विस्प इट इज। इसको सोल्यूशन क्या है यार मेमोरी विस्प का, मजाक साइड पे। नॉट मोर द हाउस ऑन द स्टोलन अवे, देयर इज नो नीड फॉर फर्दर एक्शन। देयर इज नो नीड फॉर फर्दर एक्शन मतलब एक बार तुम्हारे घर में मेमोरी में घुस गई तो तुम मतलब खुद अपनी मेमोरीज को कुछ नहीं कर सकते। और वाह भाई, क्या है मेमोरी विस्प का ऑप्शन? विस्लिंग वगैरह, मेमोरी विस्प, मेमोरी विस्प। डैम, मेमोरी विस्प ही होगी क्योंकि मिरर नीम्फ होती अगर तो वो लाइक अपना चेहरा नहीं देख पाता ना, भूल जाता अपना चेहरा काइंड ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ, बाकी तो देख पाता है। आई डोंट नो व्हाट
I
इज
don't know what this weird info you sent me means, but I tried it and
I'm calling a
it
plumber.
didn't fix the faucet.
अरे
I'm calling a plumber. Thanks a lot for wasting.
अरे एक्चुअल भाई मैं क्या करूँ, तेरे पाइप में क्या है मेरे को क्या पता भाई। अरे पाइप ग्रोथ हो सकता है क्या, रुको तो। मेकिंग होम्स इनसाइड डैम ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स सच एज पाइप्स। अरे पाइप ग्रोथ होता ना, अरे मैं भी भाई नहीं, लेकिन वो तो ऐसा कुछ बोला ही नहीं कि फॉसेट लाइक बड़ा हो गया साइज में ऐसा कुछ। ओ, फिर से ऐसे कुछ अजीब आदमी।
I have never seen such a big old mess left behind by your pest control team. Just tons of twigs, sticks, and pebbles.
तो कौन है भाई?
No more. I got sawdust coming out my drawers here. I had to grab you by the goober and smack you around till next Sunday. Now, what's you gonna do? What's you gonna do to make this right?
पागल है क्या ये बंदा? और वो पाइप हॉप नहीं था तो क्या था भाई उसके फीसीट के अंदर? आई मीन अच्छा लाइक शायद ना कोई कोई कॉल्स ना एक्चुअली में नॉर्मल प्रॉब्लम्स ये होता है, यू नो कुछ पता नहीं भाई, मेरे को ओवरथिंक नहीं करना उसके बारे में। फक दैट गाय। I have no idea what's happening. My sheets are growing nasty sharp.
I have no idea
Yeah,
what's
things on
happening.
them are like
My
it's like
sheets are growing
crazy.
nasty, sharp
They need
things
to
on
be
them,
showering
and
more
my
often.
legs
Something I
itch
usually
like
shower like once a
crazy.
week for my skin health.
Do I need to be
That's it.
showering more often or
Please hold.
अरे ये तो फिर वो होगा ना bad teeth. Of course. Bad teeth नहीं देने देंगे लोग, सबमिट ही नहीं करने देंगे। Literally this entry could not be over this like अरे कुछ नहीं लोड हो रहा क्या? डैम कुछ भी लोड नहीं हो रहा। वाह, तो क्या करूँ मैं? सिंस देखो मैं ना सही आंसर दे रहा, अगर तेरा लोड नहीं होके दिया तो देख मेरी गलती नहीं है। बेड टीथ का है, बेड टीथ बेड टीथ बेड टीथ बेड टीथ बेड टीथ वेयर द फक इज बेड टीथ भाई? पाइप ग्रोथ वगैरह है, बेड टीथ का है। बेड टीथ गिरा। थैंक यू। क्या करूँ मैं, नेटवर्क ही नहीं आ रहा है। अब पॉज कर सकता हूँ मैं? नेटवर्क नहीं है, मेरे को नेटवर्क दो प्लीज, गिव मी नेटवर्क। अब कोई कॉल करेगा मैं क्या बोलूँगा भाई? नेटवर्क नहीं है सर, बाद में कॉल करना है था सर, नेटवर्क नहीं है प्लीज बाद में कॉल करना।
hello?
Let's try to call this
I was
number
told to call
about
this
my
number to
problem.
ask about my problem.
In the
The
bottom
wall
of the
in my
wall
bedroom
is
doesn't
or
look
maybe
great near
it's
the bottom.
peeling. I'm
The
not
bottom of the
sure.
wall
I have a
has
cat named Lee
cracks
Scarlet
or
Intact
maybe it's
to sharpening his
peeling.
claws
I'm
in
not
the
sure.
couch, but he would
I have a
never do
cat named
that to that
Whiskers,
wall.
and
He knows
sometimes
just...
he likes to sharpen his claws at the couch, but he would never do that to the wall. He knows just how naughty that would be.
Walls ना cracks वो
Please hold.
यूनिकॉर्न फंगी नहीं, कौन सा फंगी था वो? विस्लिंग फंगी यही होगा, बट विसल साउंड थोड़ी आ रही। क्रैक्स ऑन द फ्लोर बोला ना इसने। Cracks on the floor. अच्छा, cracks on the floor. अब वो. Hob. Fracture hob. Oh, server is back up. Damn. Fracture hob. Thank you. Okay, server is back up, fortunately. अरे मैं जितने भी कस्टमर कॉल करता हूँ आधे को तो यार मैं आंसर दे नहीं पाता हूँ. Do you think customer requesting feed noises coming from my living room? And the info package you sent me said something about living with a ball of cream. What kind of joke is this? It's been a week now that I've been dealing with this racket. No thanks to you. We'll be starting to car out there. Your employee's stupid joke is not
we're starting to have power outages. Your
a
employee's stupid joke is now probably going to cost me who knows how much in repair costs. So talk to your manager and tell them they owe me big time.
अरे ये बंदा तो वो है ना.
Figure out what's going on in my house and you figure it out now.
अरे भाई यार ठीक है भाई, बुरा लगा.
Please hold.
ये बंदा वही है ना, वो हॉब वाला बंदा जिसके घर में हॉब था. अब क्या हो गया इसको? Dealing with this racket, no thanks to you. Now you've been starting power your employees. अच्छा अब ये हॉब मेटाफोसाइज कर दिया क्योंकि ये बंदा फॉलो नहीं करा था. I'm sorry भाई, ठीक है. अब there is no saving you. I'm not sure तू इससे कैसे डील करेगा, बट ठीक है, तूने क्रीम नहीं रखा ना, तेरी गलती भाई. ठीक, मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है. You are responsible for yourself. पावर आउटेज ना, तो वो मतलब मेटाफोसाइज कर गया मतलब. बट मेटाफोसाइज करते हैं तो यार हॉब मेटामॉर्फोसिस करते हैं ये लोग, तो फिर वो क्या बनता है? कहा गया वो बोगार्ड बोलता है उसको. बोगार्ड समझा. They are large humanoid figure buildings which are dangerous, were extremely dangerous to human and pet duties and malicious nightly household activities which are often there and also humans do not under refers to an active boggart by any name. Once you become aware of its presence, simply vacate the premises provided you do not view the boggart at any time in any fashion. It will remain in its original location. Damn भाई damn. बट ये बंदा वो क्रीम वाले स्टेप को फॉलो नहीं किया होगा, तभी तो ये लाइक मेटाफोसाइज कर गया इसमें. ये को I'm pretty sure यही होगा. ये तो पावर आउटेज क्या ही कर सकता है, एक अपग्रेडेड हॉबी. एंड उसके घर में पहले हॉबी था ना. Clock out accuracy 66.666. Actually you know what, I take my word, वो कुछ भी लिखते हैं ये लोग. There is no way मेरा accuracy exactly यही है. मेरे को पता है ये लोग कुछ भी डाल रहे हैं. Your shift has ended and now we are moving to कौन सा दिन है? Thursday I guess. Okay, science mist. पहले मेल बैग चेक करेंगे. Introducing our new office pet. Okay. Hello, home safety. Brand new office pet. Whiskers are lawyer friendly. Are serious about pest control as we are? Please give Whisker a warm milk if you see him wonder. But yes, note, please refrain from picking up feeding Whiskers. He is still getting to know everyone in the office. And has scheduled feeding time. Sincerely. अच्छा, अपन को Whiskers मिलेगा मतलब. And now ये देखते हैं creepy footage.
Mice, one of humanity's oldest friends and oldest enemies. From the Black Plague to the shelves of our pet stores, mice have lived alongside humans for centuries. And just like humans, mice may even be evolving alongside us as well. This is a mus musculus, otherwise known as the common house mouse. And this is Mus musculus loquentis, otherwise known as the smart mouse, a newly discovered species known for its uniquely colored iris, and more importantly, its increased intelligence. Mice have brains smaller than peanuts, and yet, modern science has observed they are capable of thinking quite intelligently, and in the case of the smart mouse, perhaps even capable of communication. With the help of modern computer technology, today's scientists have been able to interpret the previously indecipherable squeaks of a smart mouse, and have discovered what seems to be hidden messages within. Let's take a listen. What do you think? Is this a wonder of evolution? Or are we just hearing things that aren't there? Do mice and men have more in common than previously thought? Well, I suppose that's what makes this a science mystery.